Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share about the tutorial how to make a corner cabinet in Sketchup. First of all, you have to make a existing wall. You can adjust the proportional dimension and proportional thickness of this wall. You can set the 3000 meter of wall height, and you can make it group, and you can rotate it in 90 degree and press Ctrl to duplicate it and rotate. And then you have to make a floor base from this area. You can select this corner until this corner, and you can adjust this. You can push it down, anything. Okay, after that you can make this furniture in this position. You can make a rotated rectangle for the base cabinet. You can set the 1000 of cabinet length, and you can set the 400 meter. After that you can draw the line until 1000 millimeter right here. Okay, then you can duplicate this line by choose move and press Ctrl on 400 millimeter and just select line to complete this base plane. Okay, after that you can duplicate it in any position in this, and you have to push it up until maybe you can set the value is about 450 millimeter and make it group anyway. Then you can make a shelf right here. You can make a shelf by using offset tool like this, and you can set the depth of the cabinet. You can use this offset, just adjust for any dimension. You can try it by yourself to get a more accurate dimension anyway. Then you can delete necessary line like this, then you can make it pull back. Okay, then after that you can make it component, or this is optional option. This is optional. You can make it a component or not, but you have to move it up and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and it's around maybe like this. Then you can move this corner plane anyway. You can set the thickness like for any size like this and make a group, and don't forget to make component and just create it, and you have to adjust the position correctly. You can use move and press Ctrl to duplicate it and just position on it, and just press 4 and slash to make it divide it automatically. That you can delete that unnecessary line, this, and then you can make a side shelf like this. You can adjust the thickness, any thickness, and you can make another shelf like this. You can set the thickness like this. You can also make it group and just copy it and above of the object, then it would be this object like this. You can select the surface as you want. You can set up the material as you want to set up. And this is about how to make a corner cabinet. If you want another backdrop in here, you can set up the rectangle and just pull it in front of the object and make it group, and you can do the same thing in the side of the wall, and you can you can push it in until it in front of the object, and you can adjust the material like this. Okay, I think it's enough. Please explore your 3D modeling skill by challenge yourself for another complex object or complex building. Okay, thanks for watching.